Hi, welcome to section number 1. In this section, we can learn what is C++ and difference between C and C++, and then we will see some of the features of C++ programming, and then after that how to download an installation part, and then we will finally run our first C++ program. C++ is one of the most popular programming language that we are going to be using today now to develop the applications, to develop the operating system and software development process also. We can call this C++ programming, it's an object-oriented programming language. It provides the objects and classes as well. And then it provides some of the concepts like inheritance and then polymorphism and encapsulation and abstraction as well. It gives the clear structure of the program and it allows the reusable code in a programming part. We will see some of the difference between C and C++. C is the procedural programming language with no supports of objects and classes. C++ is the combination of procedural and object-oriented programming language. One thing you need to remember, C++ is the extension of C programming language. But both code structure is same. While you need to be print and display the output, you can use scanf and printf in C programming language. In C++, if you are going to be use C out and C in while you are going to be displaying and reading the inputs. This is what we call simple kind of the difference between C and C++ programming. And one thing you need to be remember finally, C is the subset of C++ programming. And then let's talk about some of the features of C++ programming. Coming to the programming language, C++ is the very simple that we are going to be using. It's very easy to learn and understand the code as well and syntaxes as well. C++ is the purely compiler based programming language. If you want to execute the code, first it will compile the code and then after that it is going to be executing. If there is any errors, it will give the compile time error or otherwise runtime error. If there is no error, directly after that compilation it will go to the execution part and then it will execute the file. Coming to the mid-level programming language, C++ acts as the low-level programming language and high-level programming language as well. If you want to develop your project according to the low-level programming, then it is going to be acting like a low-level project and then it will act like a high-level project as well. So that's why we are going to be calling it as a future mid-level programming language. And then we can call it as an object-oriented programming language. It provides the objects and classes and some of the concepts like inheritance and encapsulation and abstraction part, and then we will see these concepts in further slides. Obviously, C++ has a very rich library. There is a very few inbuilt functions has been present over there. It will save a lot of time while we are going to be making a software development process or otherwise if you want to develop the operating system as well. C++ is a very case sensitive. While you are writing a code in a programming, if you can use a small letter instead of capital letter, then you will get as an error. So be careful while you are writing a code according to that in the C++ platform or otherwise any ideally while you are going to be using a C++ programming, because it's very case sensitive. It will give as an error. So that's it. These are the features and we discuss now of C++. Let's see how to download an installation of Dev C++ that we are going to be using. Just you can type Dev C++ over here and then you will get this one and just you can enter and then just you can download the first source link you will get, and then after that just you can download this one and then it will automatically download it. And then after that just you can execute this one. Actually in my system it's pre-installed over here, so just you can use it, just you can download this one and then it will work accordingly. After completion of installation, just we will run our first C++ program. Before that just you need to be use header file that it would be hash include string, and then after that using namespace standard, and then after that just you can use under main function display the output. Just I'm writing welcome to Taekwondo Academy. First you need to be save the file, and then you can save this file by using the first program. Just you can save the file with the .cpp extension, and then after that just you can press F11 or just you can press this option, then it is going to be executing. So it is going to be welcome to Taekwondo Academy. It's going to be give the output. So in further slide just we will talk about the C++ structure. We will meet there.